Hi everybody. Well, this is a Craftsman 17-inch weed whacker, and today we're going to be installing a new bump knob. When I first got this weed whacker, it only had this little bolt that was holding on the trimmer string spool, and you know, it worked, but the problem is that you couldn't bump it on the ground to feed more string out. So went out to Walmart and picked up a replacement bump knob, and this is what it looks like. These are about $7 or $8, and it's the same threads as the little bolt that was on there. And basically what the bump knob does is it has this same square bolt inside of it, but the bump knob can move up and down. So what that allows is when you hit this on the ground, the bump knob can push the spool in so it can unwind string, but the bolt still holds everything in place. So let's put this back together. And basically the way you do that is take your string and feed the string into one side and the other string into the other side. Oop, look, it popped out there. Do it this way, it would be a little easier. Feed that one down there. Feed this one out there. And then make sure you put your string over top of this post. And then we'll line the string up. Put this on this side. Okay, so now the spool is installed, and all we have to do is put the bump knob on. So just line that up. Just line that up with the threads. And it's a little bit wobbly, but we'll go on. There you go. And then you just, what you have to do is hold your spool in and tighten the bump knob at the same time. And then when this is together, now your bump knob can push the spool in so that it can turn to feed out more string while it's running. So if yours is broken and you just have a little bolt, head out to Walmart, pick up one of these new bump knobs, and you'll be as good as new. So that's it. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.